Hi there, I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey, and here's another algo trading tip for Tradestation users. This one's about set exit on close. So let's get started. So today's tip centers around the keyword set exit on close, but it also applies if you've ever used the buy, sell, sell short, buy to cover this bar at close. So if you've ever used set exit on close or buy this bar at close, this will apply to you. And the issue with it is it backtests great. Both of those backtest perfect. And they're accurate. They give you the closing price. But the problem is, in real-time trading, they don't work. It's crazy. But Tradestation will tell you this. Oh, yeah, they work in backtest. They don't work in real time. Why not? The problem is, in real time, Tradestation, the way they get their data, there's a little flag or something that comes with that last data point of the day, and it says, hey, the market's closed. And so the Tradestation strategy then says, oh, the market's closed, and that triggers the set exit on close keyword or the buy, sell, this bar at close keyword to send the order. And obviously, if you're doing that in real time, the order is going to get rejected because the market is closed. So there's no way for it to work. It doesn't know, oh, hey, the market's closing in a couple seconds. It only knows the market's closed. So these commands do not work in real-time trading. So just one solution, I'm going to show you three. Just get them out of there. You don't want to backtest something and trade live differently than what you backtested. So solution number one, change all those set exit on close or buy this bar at close. Just change them to buy or sell next bar at market. Pretty easy. The problem is it's going to change your backtest results. The good thing is it's going to work for sure in real time. And the reality is, unless you're using daily bars where you're saying buy next bar at the market open the next day, you probably will be okay. But that first bar of the day compared to the previous day, there's usually gaps. And so your fill prices might be a lot different compared to the set exit on close. And so the performance might not be as good. Luckily, this is something you can test and you can verify before you put it into production. So that's a good, easy solution, and I do that quite a bit. The second solution is if your bars are XX minute bars, so they're not daily bars. Daily bars, you can't do this, but if they're 5-minute bars, 60-minute bars, 720-minute bars, even 1440-minute bars, you just create a custom session that ends a few minutes before the exchange closes. So you have to look up the time the exchange closes and just make a custom session that ends a minute or two before. Then you can have set exit on close. That will work in real time because it'll be notified, hey, the session's closed, and it'll fire off the order. And since the exchange is still open, it'll allow you to do that, and it should work. Just be sure to test this in real time. I had heard there was at least one update in Tradestation where this was not working in real time. So you want to make sure it works with whatever version and update you're using with Tradestation. But in general, custom sessions should work, and they should give the same results in backtest. So that's good. Solution number three is what I use a lot of times, and you can do it with non-daily bars. I create a function that will identify the second to last bar of the day or the time of it. And then what it does is it says, hey, if you're on the second to last bar of the day and it just closed, buy, sell, next bar at open, which would be the open of the final bar of the day. And that works pretty good. The problem with it is if you have big bars, you're going to give up that last bar of price movement. So if you have 120-minute bars and you use this approach, you're going to exit 120 minutes before the last bar, before that bar closes, that last bar of the day closes. So you're going to miss out on some of that closing price action, which a lot of people like. But this is another way to do it. And in a lot of ways, it's simple because you don't have to create custom sessions. Because the one bad thing about Solution 2 with the custom sessions is you've got to do a whole bunch of different sessions because not all futures markets close at the same time. You have your ags that close like at 2:30 Eastern. A lot of other ones close at 5 p.m. Eastern. Some of the softs close at really odd times. And so it's hard to create a custom session that applies to everything. So this solution kind of gets around that. So those are 3 solutions to get around set exit on close. The big thing and the big warning here is just remember that set exit on close and sell this bar at close, or buy to cover, sell short. If you say this bar at close does not work in real-time trading. It'll work in backtest, no problem, but it will not work in real-time trading unless you take certain steps or certain precautions to work around it. And I've given you 3 ways to do that now. All right, well, hey, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please hit the subscribe button. I'll keep making more. Thanks for watching. I'm Champion Trader Kevin Davey.